Hi everyone, welcome on my YouTube channel. Today I will be coloring my nail. I will be using OPI. I have two right here. One is Funny Bunny and one is the High Note. I will be using the Funny Bunny for base. Maybe 2 coat on this one and 1 coat on the High Note. I think this color is super nice. It's like pearly. I think I will be using 2 coat. Okay, slide it on the side. Start from the middle. Okay, now is second coat. We need to wait like 2 minutes and now it's dry. I will layering second coat and then continue to the color. You see the difference on the pinky finger? This one is 2 coat, 1 coat. Okay, this is still not finished. This one is double coat and this one is single coat. I will layering on this side. Coat and the last touch I will be using this one, the High Note. It's kind of fun doing your own nail polish. Okay. Look, the difference on the pinky finger is so shine and this one is just normal, only Funny Bunny. So much different. I like it. I will see. I say I wanted to use the High Note 1 coat, but I will see if I want more shimmer. I will apply more. Look at this. Oh my god, I touched the cable. Should be careful. Okay. Oh my god, so beautiful. I think on this one with OPI, I don't need a top coat. Let me show you. Oh my god, it's super beautiful. I know it's a little bit messy because I'm not professional, but it's so fun. Look on the thumbs. Okay, let me continue on the right hand side. The final result on my nail polish. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's looking so pretty, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon for my next tips. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Take care. Bye.